Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning System, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. It is July 28th, 2020, and despite COVID-19, our sales are over the top. And this is going out. In fact, a couple days ago, a few days back, we had the Aviator 36 get shipped out to North Carolina. These systems are so well built. You know, quarter plate. I mean, who does that? All stainless braided hoses. AR pump. Very resilient pump to high heat. Produces up over 2,000 pounds pressure. This unit, the working pressure of Blue Baron units are over 2,000. And many of the manufacturers can't say that because they're all using copper. Our Access Point padded heat exchangers are 3,500 pounds pressure rated, so it can withstand high pressure. Why buy a unit that governs to 1,000 psi and that's it? Because then you're going to cut yourself out of all that money that you could have made from pressure washing jobs, and you don't want that. Not in today's world. You want to get as much as you can out of your machinery, produce as much diversified income and varying tasks, and provide for your family and be able to have a machine that's easy to fix. We got beautiful belt guards, all stainless headers, high pressured bar stock type fittings. These are not cast fittings, they're bar stock, which makes them more higher pressure rated. Again, all stainless steel, 3,000 pounds pressure rated, 500 degrees tolerance, full instrument panel, aviation throttle. They actually use on airplanes. You can get a granular adjustment. You've got a tack here where you can get a granular speed adjustment. And these units are fully equipped. You got the panel here with the water temperature gauge, water pressure, vacuum gauge, chemical flow meter with the last step injection, fresh water pump or demand pump accessory switch, and we have delayed fusing. We have a indicator for thermal dump as well as the accessory that goes on when you turn the key on. We have the choke here, and we've got a Luber gravity feed, which will pull right into your lobes of your blower to protect your blower so that you don't get any problems with your blower. Water inlet, bypass adjustment that keeps water movement throughout your system, and a quick connect goes to your pressure hose, to your wand, or whatever peripheral cleaning tool you want to use. Thermostatic control, instructional data here to give you all that you need to understand the startup as well as the cooling down and turning down of the unit, and when you turn it off, there are procedures there as well. All stainless. Who does that? All stainless discharge pipes for your silencer, free flow system, and Kohler engine, 27 horse, 747 cc. It's got low oil shutdown, as well as we got high limit shutdown for our tanks. We have a line here of 12-volt line with ground that goes to your DEMA solenoid on your tank. And of course, bar stock fittings. Everything is just super high quality. You have a extender pipe that comes out, which is your inlet. It's 2.5. So this is a 45 size blower, which is a 4MR in the Suterbilt and 45 in the Roots and a 4005 in Tuthill. We like using the Suterbilt blower made by Gardner Denver. They mount really easily, and they just look really good, and they perform well, and they last a long time. There's an 18-month warranty on this blower, as all blowers. There's 3 years on the Kohler engine and 1 year on all parts. So you got a super high quality truck mount that will withstand a lot of many hours of work. Our repair record is outstanding. We have No complaints. We've had people buy, say, any one of our truck mounts a few years back, and then all of a sudden they're buying a new one. It tells you a lot right there. They've had the other one for several years, and then they're buying another one. That's a good sign. We've been 15 years manufacturing, and if we didn't know what we were doing, we wouldn't be in business. Our name is all over the place, all over the internet, because they know we got high quality, open concept truck mounts, super thick plate. Nobody builds a CNC plate like this. This thing is super well, high quality, heavy gauged, powder coated. Everything is here. This is a beautiful unit. And call us today at 727-505-2989 and ask about our other models. We have 7 models to choose from, depending on the type of work that you do. We even have the 47XL, which is a dual wand system, all free flow, no obstructions. None of our truck mounts have any obstructions to the airflow system. They go straight in the inlet and they go out through the outlet, and that's it. So call us today at 727-505-2989 or visit us on our online store 24/7 at truckmountstore.com. Thank you.